Hi, welcome to New Life by New Thoughts. And my name is Quinn Pham. In the previous video, I have shared the 5 secrets how to manifest what you want. If you missed that video, don't worry, I will put the link below for you to watch. In this video, I will go in depth of the secret number 1. Get clarity on the want. Sometimes it's a little bit more complicated than what we think, because we think what we want is the solution for the problem that we have, but sometimes the solution may not be correct for that problem, or sometimes that is not what we truly want. So here is here is how to get clarity on what you want. It is a series of asking questions. What would having that do for me? Or if you work with a friend or a coach, they can help you asking that question for you. What would having that do for you? It's a series of questions that will ask until they cannot go any further. So here an example. My friend came to me and asked for help on getting clarity. I asked her what would you like? She said she would like to make more money so she can have extra 30K a month. I asked, okay, with extra 30K a month, what would having that do for you? She said, when I have extra 30K a month, I can have my retirement. I said, okay, now you have your retirement. What would having that do for you? To say, when I have money for my retirement, I don't have to work hard anymore. Okay, you don't have to work hard anymore. What would having that do for you? She say, when I don't have to work hard anymore, I will have more time for my kids and my family. So okay, now you have more times for your kids and your family. What would having that do for you? She say, when I have more time for my kids and family, I will teach my kids better. I said, okay, now you have more time to teach your kids. What would having that do for you? She say, when I have time to teach my kids, they will do better in school. So that at that point, I stop and ask her back again, what would you like? She paused and I give her a review of all the answer for her. I said, you started with the 30K extra a month, and then you go with the retirement, not working so hard, having more time for family, have time to teach your kid, have your kids doing well in school. So with all of these, which one do you think would be something that you really want right now? Or would be something, what is your present issue right now? To say, my present issue is my kids not doing well in school. Say, okay, so do you think when we start with 30K a month, do you think you still want that? I say no, because I thought with extra money or more money, my kids will do well because I have time with the kids. So no, I want the kids to do well in school. You can see in the example, I use a series of the question, what would having that do for you? To help my friend get to the clarity of what she really wants. She start with wanting 30K extra a month to the end of, let's say, one to help her kids to do well in school. If you have any questions, type in a comment below. If it's quick and easy, I can reply in a comment. If it takes a little bit longer to explain, I may make another video to explain it to you. And this is just the secret number 1. I plan to make the series to go through all 5 secrets in depth. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe and bell button so you can get the notification immediately when my next video came out. Goodbye for now. See you next time.